top favorites is going to be the Philippines. Atisa Manalo. Ah! Shut up! I'm just kidding. Anyways, you guys, I know I've been such a huge hater of Atisa Manalo last year. Well, I mean, you guys would agree. Don't you guys agree with me? Do you guys agree? What she wore last year was like just horrendous. Her styling was so bad last year, from the makeup to the dress and the wardrobe. But this year, you guys, we watched her get crowned when she fell and she got crowned. This year, she came back with a much better approach in terms of winning. She really is going for that more demure palette, softer palettes, feminine color palettes, to really embrace that, you know, like that kind of demure beauty that she possessed. But I do think that she has to have a little bit of edge though, like Barbie, but with an edge, okay? And I think that's what Atisa should go for. But I do love her, just like her overall appearance and her overall presentation, her pasarela. I've been seeing a lot of her interviews. They just keep popping up on my feed, you guys, and I'm like, wow, this girl has she's really trying to improve her communication skills, which I think ultimately she's gonna do well. I mean, she's got experience before international and Miss Cosmo, and she did well in those pageants. So to me, there's something there that people love about her. So to me, if like the Philippines didn't win Miss Grand International, I really think that she has potential to win. But since they already cooked Miss Grand International for the Philippines, I do believe that she might not win. But oh my God, she has returned, and to me, she returned strong. This is a comeback strong, okay?
So mga kapolitika, inyong napanood itong kilala na pageant vlogger dito sa YouTube, at meron siyang mga ibang social media pages, at nagko-comment ito palagi sa ating mga beauty queens na pinapadala sa international stage. And recently lang is nag-spark nga itong issue na kung saan is yung kanyang mga negatibong komento dito kay Emma Tiglao. At very negative nang kung narinig nyo dito sa kanyang sinabi is nakook na daw, naluto na daw yung resulta ng Miss Grand International 2025, kung kaya wala dong ibang option ang MGI kung hindi ibibigay sa Pilipinas ang corona na pinakainasam-asam ng ating bansa. Pero kabaliktaran dito sa kanyang sinabi kay Atisa, kasi before is kung napapanood nyo ito dito sa kanyang mga videos is negatibo yung kanyang perception at mga sinasabi, yung kanyang mga comment dito kay Atisa. Pero ngayon ay bumaliktad na ito. Hindi natin alam kung para lang sa engagement, para dumami yung kanyang views, or talagang yung katotohanan na hindi na nila kayang pagtakpan ang outstanding, ang mga very powerful at impactful na mga videos ni Atisa dito sa social media, na kung saan ay even sa mga international pageant experts ay napapansin na rin talaga itong si Atisa. So hindi nila pwedeng pikitan itong katotohanan o realidad na kung saan si Atisa ay isa sa pinakamalakas na candidate ngayon ng Miss Universe 2025. Okay? So yun ang aking maging reaksyon dito sa kanyang sinabi, na kung saan ay para sa kanya pasok di o mano sa top 5 itong si Atisa Manalo para sa kanyang maglaban. At positibo mga kapolitika yung kanyang naging comment at reaction, opinion dito sa ating manok sa Miss Universe 2025. So kung kayo po ang tatanungin ano po ang inyong magreaksyon dito sa sinabi ni Del, na kung saan ay hanga siya kay Atisa Manalo, at very positive yung kanyang comment sa mga styling at sa mga galawan ni Atisa para sa kanyang maging laban sa Miss Universe 2025. Kayo po ba mga kapolitika ay agree at naniniwala dito sa kanyang sinabi? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.